Hey, David here. Couple quick things I want to talk about. One, I'm reading a book that I've read several times in the past. It's called Success Through a Positive Mental Attitude, PMA, as Napoleon Hill calls it. That was written by W. Clement Stone and Napoleon Hill. If you ever read Think and Grow Rich, that's along those lines. This is a continuation and it's a collaboration between W. Clement Stone and Napoleon Hill. I ended up finally purchasing the book that I have and couldn't find my copy. Trading in the Shadow of the Smart Money by Gavin Holmes. This is actually the third book of a series of books. The other two are written by Tom Williams. What I like about this one is it's the pages. You know, it's equivalent to an 8.5 by 11 page, which is better than most books that you get, trading books. So when you're looking at the charts, themselves, it's equivalent to an 8.5 by 11. So when you're looking at the trading charts, um, it's nice. So I like that. I also got. I'm currently reading the Stock Market Technique by Richard W. Wyckoff. I've had this book for years, but I was rereading it again. And then I got two, and I just kind of read on my downtime when I'm sitting here in front of the computer and I'm debating about what I want to do. One thing I want to note, if you read the blog post today, notice that I went down 28 ticks. I bucked the trend again, and I have to be a little bit better in paying attention to the support and resistance levels. So in this case, I kind of ignored, not kind of, I did. I ignored the S2 level, but as I'm looking at the trading right now, what I want to make a comment about right now is that we've traded to $60 a barrel today. Now, our high of the trading session is above what I consider the 8P target. Now, let me put in the open of the day, which was at 58.31. And I want to explain something here today. And hopefully this will make sense as we move on today. Um, as you can see, we're trading at what, roughly 59.99, right at 60. Now, if you look at 8P, which is right here, 60.17, we have reached that today. Let me bring over my, let's just bring over the 5-minute chart while I'm sitting here. Heck with it, we'll bring over the 15-minute. Here's the 15-minute chart, and this is where we breached the 8P mark on trading. Now, the significance of this is that 80% of the time when we break through 8P, in this case 60.17, there's an 80% chance that we're going to see 60, 63 to 61.1. So in other words, what we're going to see when I see an 8P move is that I'm going to see 10P to 12P in that given day. And it's 80% correct that you'll see a further movement of the trend that has established knots. And the reverse is true as well. So if this would have been a downtrend day and it reached 8P, then it's 80% profitable to reach that 10P mark. It doesn't mean it's going to happen right away when it runs the 8P. Normally, when you look at a trading day, I'm looking to go to 7P and perhaps 8P, and then usually have that retracement like we have today. And then at some point during the day, it makes a run between the 8P mark to the 10P up to what I would have my top today at 12P would be 61.10. So that's extreme movement today would be, when I look at extreme movement on any given day, I look at 10P to 12P on any given day. Once you reach that 8P mark though, like I said, there's 80% chance of the market is going to run up to, at least in this case, 60.63 to 61.10 somewhere during the trading day. In this case, as we're looking at the trading day on Central Standard Time, it has to happen before the open outcry, the crude oil market finishes, or 1 hour after that. So you're looking at roughly, if you're looking at Eastern Standard Time, it's 3:30, no later than 3:30, or no later than 2:30 Central Standard Time. The open outcry finishes up at 1:30, but there's still a lot of volatility and movement on a good day for another hour in the market, and that has a lot to do with the stock market still being open in the U.S. You might even actually find the market continues to move a little bit as it relates to the stock market as well up until the stock market closes at the 415 mark. You'll see the futures closing and shutting down for a few minutes and then reopening, right? I thought I would share that with you today and put this up on YouTube so that you can see how I look at the market. And let's see what happens for the rest of the given day. I'm going to try to post this up on YouTube before the market has a chance to run. So if you see a timestamp, right now the time, let me bring my clock over. Here's my clock on the trading day right now. This is Eastern Standard Time, by the way. So you're looking at 12:46. So it's Central Time. It's 11:46. So what that means roughly is there like basically an hour and a half to was that an hour and a half to 2.5 hours left of trading to see 60.63 to what was that target? 60.63 to 61.10. All right. God bless. Take care. Good trading. We'll see you on in the next video. Bye for now.